Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we are going to be sharing some amazing wallpapers with you guys for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. And of course I'm talking about wallpapers just like this one. These are highly premium, high quality wallpapers, so let's grab them as soon as possible. So to download these wallpapers, what you want to do is you want to click the link down below. Once you click the link, you're going to be at my website, and then you want to scroll down just a little bit. Alright, and you can see the first one is going to be wallpaper number 1, and then you click the animated art black. So you click on that link, alright, it's going to take you to the store. You can download and apply. So let's take a look at the first one. So I'm going to tap on done and see how this one looks like in the lock screen. As you can see, it is absolutely beautiful and highly artistic. So let's go back out here and move on. And also, do not forget to check out the second link down below with some great deals on Samsung's USB flash drive, starting at only $10 a piece. Alright, the next wallpaper is going to be wallpaper number 2. That's the animated gold and black. So click on it. It'll take you to the store. Tap on download. It should be 100% free. Tap on apply. Alright, tap on done, and let's see what this one looks like. Beautiful, classy wallpaper, as you can see. Gorgeous. All right, let's go back here. Go to wallpaper number 3. That's the Data Flow X9. Now, that's the one we saw in the very beginning. So we are not going to look at it again. You can see right over here. Just download and enjoy. All right, let's go back and go to number 4. Now, a lot of people requested that I provide the wallpaper that is in the actual background right here. So that one is, as you can see, right here. That's the 4th wallpaper. Tap on download and tap on apply. And you can have this on the lock screen and on the home screen, which is great. But as you can see, it's high definition, high quality, very beautiful and very futuristic. So let's go back here. And number 5 is going to be another static wallpaper. Ignore the name, that's wrong. This is the cat wallpaper. It's actually one of my favorites. So download and apply. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the actual home screen. All right, you can move it around to make it fit the way you want it. Okay, some wallpapers are slightly larger, so you can change their positioning. So that's a better position than this one. So go like that, tap on done. All right, go home. Another high quality wallpaper. That's it, guys. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day.